Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to deploy a Python web application to a server so that it is available globally everywhere. So on my previous videos I have showed you how to create a resume builder web app. So this is the URL where our website was running, that is locally on our system. So you provide all these details such as this name, email, summary, education, skill and everything. You also attach a photo, and then on clicking this generate a PDF resume, it's going to generate a PDF like this. Alright, so this entire website I'm going to deploy to a server so that you'll be able to also access this website by just simply following that URL. So in this video we are going to discuss about that. Alright, so to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you're still facing any issues in middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there. You can ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'm definitely going to help you. So now to deploy this entire website to some server, we're going to use a very popular web server or Python web server called Pythonanywhere. So just simply Google Pythonanywhere and that's going to show you this www.pythonanywhere.com. So just simply go to their official site, and this is the official site of our Pythonanywhere. So this link also I'm going to provide right in our channel description. So here just simply click on start running Python online in less than a minute, and these are all the plans. We are going to deploy a very simple website just like this. We don't need to buy any server as of now. So just simply proceed with the beginner account, and here you need to provide your username and all. So let's provide a username, so Python GS, and provide an email ID, give some password, and register. It's going to send one confirmation mail to our email ID. So I'm going to confirm that link, and there you go. So your email ID is confirmed, so now you're successfully logged in. So let's quickly go to web, and here let's create a web app. So click on next over here, and it's going to be a Flask application. So if you see this project that I have created, so this is on Flask. So I'm going to go ahead with Flask, and I'm going to create a latest version of Python. So that is what we have used on this project. So I'm going to proceed with 3.13, and this is totally fine. Click on next. So that's going to immediately start creating our web app, and here is our web app, you can see. So now let's go to console and create a virtual environment. So for that just simply click on bash over here. So that's going to open a console, and here let's create a virtual environment. So mk virtual env, and then give a environment name. So let's give the environment name as flask env, and then dash python, and then we need to provide our Python version as well, so which will be 3.13. hit enter. So that's going to immediately start creating our Python virtual environment. Now we need to fetch our project over here. So for that just simply type git clone, and then we need to provide our GitHub URL. So I have already created a repo of this resume web based. So here I have already shared each and everything that I have showed you on my previous video. So that includes this main.py file along with the resume that I have generated, which also has a template which has a form.html file. So only thing that I have done is I have created a requirements.txt, so which has this couple of Python library that I'm going to install. So this is it. So you can also use the same URL, or you can also create your own repo and you can deploy it. So I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to just paste it over here. So Ctrl V, hit enter. So that's going to immediately start cloning our project, and you can see it is rightly done. So now you need to go inside our project, that is this resume builder web based. So cd resume builder web based. So hit enter. So now we are inside resume builder web based. You can always do ls to check which are all files and folders that are there. You can see everything is there, including our main.py and requirements.txt. So let's execute that requirements.txt. So pip install -r requirements.txt. Hit enter. So again, sorry for that, it's installed. So immediately it's going to start install all the packages that are mentioned on requirements file. And you can see that that is also rightly done. So now let's go back to the home screen and let's switch to this web tab. So you can see currently it is pointing the source code to my site, and also working directory is not correct. So we need to correct all this. So for that you need to go to files first, and you will see this resume builder web based project which we just now cloned is properly fetched over here. So let's click on that, and you will get this entire path over here. So just simply select and copy this and go to web and just scroll down to source code and select this, and delete all the stuff and just simply paste that path over here. Right, similarly also do the same for working directory as well. So just paste it, and there you go. So it is now rightly done. So now I need to change this WSGI configuration file. So just select that, and that's going to open this file. So now if you switch to our project and see, we have a file called main.py. So this is the starting point of our project, right? So if you open this, you will see that I have created one instance, and that a Flask, and that instance name is app. So this is our object, and our file name is main.py. So we need to remove this Flask app, and we need to give the file that we have created, it is main.py. So from main import app. So why app? App means the object name that we have created, so this app. So if you have given some other name, you need to provide that. Alright, so you need to change that with respect to that. So that is also now rightly done. Click on save. So now you can go back, and everything is done. Again, go to web, just click on this reload username, then your website's URL. So you can see that that is also rightly done now, and you can open this now in a new tab, and there you go. So you can see that our project is now properly hosted. So you can use this URL from any part of the world, and you are going to see this project. Alright, so here our project was hosted locally, but now we have migrated it to a server, and on this URL you are going to see our project. So that is Python GS, that is short from our Geeky script, and then Pythonanywhere.com. So that was the domain name. Alright, and that is our username, Python GS. So you can use this URL to check out our resume builder. You can create your own resume from here as well. So I'm going to quickly fill all the details, and will show you how a resume gets generated and how you can download that as well. So I'll just show you quickly that nothing is broken, everything is working as per expectation. So I have completed filling all the fields that are over here. Let's also select one profile photo, and let's click on generate PDF resume, and there you go. You can see that our resume is rightly started downloading, and it has downloaded as well. So on clicking this, we are going to get that resume that just now we have prepared. So whatever we have written over here, so that exact theme got generated as a resume. So similar to this, you can also give your own details to each and every single field, like name, email, phone, summary, education, skill, experience, language, all these, and you can even add your profile photo, and it's going to generate a resume like this. And if you are eager to know about how I created this resume, then you can always refer to our playlist, that is the school Python project playlist. So here I keep on posting new videos. So here you will get that resume builder website, along with will also get a detailed article that I have prepared, so along with all the steps like step 1 to step 8 with all the detailed source code explaining each and every single thing. So you can always go ahead by reading this article as well, and entire source code is also available on our GitHub account as well, and you can always use our website to create your very own resume and share also with us on our Instagram. Alright, and lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So yeah, so that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.